Hello students, let's begin with the poem 3.1, that is, It Can Be Done. The title of the poem says that we can do anything we wish to. Nothing is impossible in life. We must always have positive attitude. A positive attitude with the belief it can be done brings progress in our life. Let's see the poem. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. The poem tells us about an individual, a man whose negative attitude towards everything stops him from enjoying the life. He is always ready to criticize every adventure in life. Due to his negative attitude towards everything, the man who says it can't be done misses all the fun in his life. In solemn pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he had effaced the history of the human race. The poem tells us that due to his negative attitude, he thinks himself as important and serious, and so he remains unfriendly and keeps distance and does not get involved in anything. He welcomes every fresh project or dangerous task with criticism and negative comments. If he had the power or authority, he would destroy out the history of the human race. We have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraph nor telephone. We had lingered in the age of stone. The poem says that the man's negative attitude could stop all discoveries and inventions. We would not have radios or motor cars, and our streets would not be lit by electric lights. We would have no telegraph machines or either telephones, and we would remain in the Stone Age. The world would sleep if things were run by men who says it can't be done. The poem says that if such a negative attitude man had the authority over things on earth, then there will be no progress in any field. The world will become inactive and in a deep sleep. If things were run by men who says the world eats cannot be done. The title of the poem suggests that a positive attitude with the belief it can be done brings progress in our life. In order to make progress, human beings should discover and invent more things which are helpful to us. We should find ways in which we can live a long, happy, and healthy life. We should find ways by which we can live comfortably and in harmony with nature. We should always try to do things which will improve our lives without harming anybody.